Kreations. Thank you for coming by. I hope you've been enjoying the previous presentations on our second annual Halloween collaboration. And I want to thank Donna with It's Art by Donna M for passing you along to me. So today we're going to get over to my canvas and see what I've been up to. I am preparing the base for my Halloween inspired piece. So I have sprayed the back of this 18 by 24 inch canvas. It is just stretched. Let's get started. I don't want it to be totally dark, so let's just see what happens. So I am creating a night scene, and I said I didn't want it too dark, and by that I meant I didn't want it to be all black, but I definitely wanted it to be dark. It is supposed to be nighttime, so you shouldn't be able to see too much, just enough. So this is what I'm doing. I am basically using paints here that are Dutch pour consistency, and you are going to see me put multiple layers of paint down and then blow them out. I do live in Arizona and it is still quite hot here, and the paints were drying quite quickly, so it made it difficult to blow this paint around. And actually I kind of ran out of my black paint, and I ended up stopping and making more paint. So during that time, of course, the paint on the canvas dried even more, but it was kind of cool because the paint that was drying, I'd blow it around and blow it kind of the bigger chunks, if you will, off the edge of the canvas. But it created this cool kind of textured look, which I had not intended going into it, but it was so cool in the end. So I'm going to let you just continue watching what I'm doing here, and I will pop in a little bit. I now have my background or base coat down on my canvas, and it's just the way I wanted it. And now you're going to see me do a bunch of skins using the Shelly Art bloom technique. Now, one of the mandates in this collaboration was that we had to use 3 specific colors. Black, which you'll see me use right there as a cell activator. Copper, which is already down on my mat. And then we also have to use cobalt blue. So you'll see me incorporate all these colors in different ways in the skins that I am creating. Now that I'm back to making more skins, I thought I'd just share what my thoughts are on Halloween. For me, it is just a fun festival where you get dressed up and you canvas neighborhoods and get candy from your neighbors. And that's basically it for me. I don't have anything else really associated with it. Definitely some good childhood memories. What I really enjoy actually is just driving around the neighborhoods and seeing how really into it a lot of people are, and what they do to decorate their yards and their houses. It can be quite extraordinary. So yeah, the whole fall season is definitely a favorite, and I think Halloween just tops it all off. Makes it a very cool season. Anyway, back to the painting here for a little bit. You can see me, I'm just cutting out some forms. I use parchment paper to draw out, trace out the forms that I was looking for, and then I put it over my skins and cut them out appropriately. And as you can see, I have created 2 witches. Do I believe in witches? No, I think they are just really medicine women. But I do believe in ghosts. Yes, I do believe in ghosts. Have I seen any? No, but I do believe in the possibility. And while you're watching me cut all these different things out, I am very specifically not showing you my entire focus for this painting that I am putting together. And it really is like a puzzle piece and creating all the little bits. But you're going to get the gist of it just because you're going to see the shapes of all the different things that I'm cutting out. But I'm leaving the final results for the very end just because I'm mean like that. So my base is dried, and I don't know if you can tell in this light or not, but it is quite textured, and I love that. And the reason that happened is because while I was blowing the base out on it and continuing to add layers of paint, the paint underneath it was drying quite quickly, and it created this awesome effect, which I love. And my white through here, to my thinking, looks like the moon kind of bouncing off the clouds and lighting up the scene. So that's what we are working with. And now we put it together. Okay, and here it is. I'm absolutely loving the finished result. You can see just how those metallics are gleaming in the sun. And yeah, I think this came together really, really well. Get in on these guys so you can see the whole scene. Got the cats playing catch with the pumpkin, and then our 2 witches whipping up some poisonous brew using the broomstick to stir, and of course the bats flying around. So there she is, and stay tuned because magic is about to happen. And now for the magic. I think one of my favorite parts are the bat eyes. I just love how these black light reactive paints show up. All right, well, I hope you got some Halloween vibes off this piece. Spooky. Just finishing up some Halloween candy. Gotta have some of that when you're creating Halloween inspired art, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed my two witches and their witchy brew. And if you've missed any of the artists who came before me, or if you're not able to join us for the rest of the artists who are going after me or even tomorrow, all their channels and their links to this particular collaboration will be in the description below. But for right now, let's head on over to Matilda and Josephine and let's see what they're up to. Happy Halloween!